This is week 9 of Women in Ethereum protocol. This is cohort 3, and today it's a stand-up. So today we're going to discuss your blockers, your progress, ask questions, try to help you to solve your issues. And I would like to start from our GitHub repo. So what we have there, I will share my screen. So what I expect from you is to actively participate in contributing to this table. For example, if you have chosen an issue and you're working on it, there should be progress every week. If you struggle with home assignment, probably can be a little bit difficult for you. That's okay. You can just open a PR, which is called, like, for example, Mercy week 9 updates. So it will be just the homework. And you can add your progress and add an emoji. Let's talk a little bit about images. Oh, we have a table broken here. Okay, we'll fix it. So if you chose an issue and you start working on this, feel free to use this emoji, working on issue. So if you have client issue, and probably most of us already have it, this one, an issue, so feel free to use this emoji, so you work on issue. Learning emoji is for those who don't solve any client issues, who are just in learning mode, who go to our office hours and just want to know more about the protocol. If you already opened a pull request, even if it's draft, it's okay. So feel free to use this rocket emoji. And PR was already merged. This one, okay? So what I expect from you is to update the table. So for the next class, feel free, for the next call, feel free to update it, to put images for your name. And yeah, we will have a pretty nice table. So today we're gonna start. So we won't have any specific topic for today because we had a rebase assignment, and rebase quite complicated topic, and it's used for open source projects. It's used rarely, so not very often. Even working with clients, I've seen it maybe currently. I can see it on fossil updates. Yeah, when the feature is at the very beginning. Mostly developers try to see all the history of commitments. So this is important. The history is important, and rebase can change the history of the commits, can squash them, for example, etc. So this is important. But you should just know that it exists, rebase exists. In case of someone of the developers ask you, oh, please rebase this one or this one, then you at least know in general what to do and where to find some information. On YouTube, in our Discord, in our GitHub guide. So yeah, feel free to use it and to ask as well. So we have only 3 classes, 2 stand-ups and 1 office hours. For the next office hours, we will have special guests, Josh and Mario, and we will talk about Ethereum Foundation Fellowship Program. I hope and I'm sure some of you are interested in this program, so please come to our next call. And we have only 2 stand-ups, so let's use them efficiently. Let's ask questions. Let's share what you have for today. if you need any assistance. So we will start from please raise your hands. Let's discuss where are you now with your issues, with your PRs. So who wants to be first to start? I would definitely choose. Yeah, we have a hint. No, yeah, person. Yeah, welcome.
Okay, hello everyone.
Hello, hello.
Okay, I had an issue that was on 5 days ago, I can remember. So, but now, okay, sorry, my dog is barking.
Yeah.
I was able to resolve the issue I was facing, the one I told you earlier, the one with Lost actually. So currently, I made a mistake. I just randomly went to the JSON and then um typed it. I was supposed to like edit the metrics from the Grafana dashboard. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So I wasn't supposed to go to the code base and then start typing and then looking over how the metrics was, how the implementation was done and then trying to replicate it in a way. But now I was able to get some corrections on it and then let me share the issue with you because I already dropped a feedback, like a comment on it.
Did you succeed with running Grafana?
Yeah. I did. I had to. It was because of my storage. The whole thing was because of my storage. So Docker was finding it difficult because of the low storage. So I had to
Mhm.
go through Gitpod. I had
Mhm.
to make the changes through Gitpod. But now I have the metrics. I don't know if they would like how it's looking, but I just clicked on add, then
Mhm. So
visualize, and then imported queried it somehow. So
so
yeah.
yeah, yeah. Added it to the dashboard, right?
Yes, I was supposed to because they contributed the
Validating.
contribution on Grafana, the guideline. I never knew they had a specific guideline on how to contribute to Grafana. So I don't know his name. He made a comment, then I followed the link.
Nico.
Then so yeah, I saw the whole method, but like I started running it this afternoon, and then this is what the metrics currently look like. But I need to like bundle it together in a test file. There's a format to bundle it and then include it. You don't manually include it on from the code base.
What I see here on the screen, sorry. So you put this metric on the dashboard, but there is also a query for the dashboard. So for example, you can choose other metrics and check what they have. I mean, this validator monitor, preview pop, block proposal summary. So this is the name of the metric. But in fact,
Yeah.
normally you also apply query. Um,
Do you
so
have the
are
metrics there already? The only thing I needed to like is to add the panel. That was just
for Lodestar, I don't have it yet, but yeah, I'm going to have it soon. So I mean, I haven't yet built the dashboard itself. So what link? Oh, what link did he share with you? This one?
yes, that's the link for contributing to the Grafana dashboard.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So yeah, what's the algorithm? You added mm, so this metric already existed, right, in the code, and
Yes,
you had
yes.
to add it to the dashboard.
Yeah, just
So
add the panel to the dashboard.
yeah, you need kurtosis. You need to open this dashboard. You need to manually add this metric on the dashboard. You need to apply query for this metric. Which I can share with you later in the Discord, for example. Then you need to check so it works. You can see the data. And
Mm,
after that,
that that
mhm,
is what you were saying. That was what I did before initially. But when I read, if you go through the contributing to Grafana
yes,
dashboard guideline, you're not supposed to like import like
yes, yes.
manually. You just click on when you import the
That's
JSON, then you click on
that's
visually edit the dashboard and then click on
that's
add
that's the next.
panel add
Yeah,
panel,
that's
then edit the name, and then you click on the metrics. You copy the metrics from because the metrics name is on the GitHub issue. Then it's Grafana will populate it for you. Then you click on it. Then the dashboard on itself will appear. I don't know if what I'm saying makes sense. It was easy, like compared to how I was doing it. I was thinking I would manually do the JSON myself, but no, the contribution says otherwise. So. That was how
so
I
you
was able to get that dashboard, the panel.
did you find the dashboard in the repo?
Yes, I did. I've already done the task. I just need them to know if I need to like change some settings, maybe
So you just
um
take this JSON file and
yeah.
you run the script, yeah, this one script.
This is
Uh,
like you're going
yeah,
to this is like a later thing I need to like download it because I would then have to run it in order for it to like populate to that JSON file.
yeah. I can probably help with it because I'm going to do it as well. Maybe today or tomorrow. So we'll go through all the steps and we can help you. Yeah, but you're on the right. You discuss with the devs. You add your screenshots, so you're doing good. So I would encourage you to proceed with this issue. Okay.
Okay. Then for Besu, I don't know what's wrong with Besu. But I think I'll try and do it again on Gitpod because I think the whole thing is for my laptop and I don't want to scatter all the configuration I have on my laptop again. There's so many things Besu is complaining about, which
Yeah, from my side, I also have issues with Beso. Um, let's try Gitbot. It will work there as well. So yeah, let's just try. But I hope we will finish this one with dashboards. Okay, let's just keep in touch in our dev help. You can create a thread for your issue, and we'll communicate there and yeah, share what we have. Yeah, and if you want to proceed with Beso, just yeah, we'll try on Gitbot and just share some screenshots. What errors do you have? Because Sally's here, he's our mentor, and sorry, she will definitely help you. So she's in our Discord channel. So yeah,
okay.
okay.
Thank you.
And what about could you update the table here? So just update your progress, put week, put emoji. So if you want, you can skip all the tasks about tree base, etc. If you, for example, don't have time for it, or uh, but that would be great to have your updates here. Okay.
But I wanted to say something. This particular update, the get all ancestor node update, has been like stalled for a moment because I can generate data in order to complete it. It's no longer a good first issue. It's something I need to like run, analyze, visualize, and then get out the data and then make something out of the data, which
That's
currently my
that's
laptop
also
is
works.
complaining about storage.
For example, you already have an open PR, right? So just put it into the table. So you have it open. Put the rocket here, and yeah, so we will have your latest updates. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's keep in touch about the dashboard. Okay. Anyone else who wants to share? Feel free to raise your hands or just turn on your mic. That also works.
I can share.
Yeah,
Yeah,
go
okay.
on.
So on my own end, I was having issues like running because the issue that I was trying to resolve was related to the docs, and the contributor guide stated that you have to like run it locally before like you open APR. But then somehow I was having like issues running it locally. And then I dropped a comment on Discord and they said that it was probably from my end. But today I was able to like fix the issue. I was able to fix the issue and I'm able to like proceed. It had to do with like my setup, the initial setup I had, the configurations I had on my system. So I just had to like redo it and everything is working fine now. So the next thing would just be to add the pages that I'm supposed to add and open the PR for them to review.
That's great. That sounds great. So you haven't yet opened the PR, right? You're just
No.
discussing.
Yes, I've not opened the PR yet.
Okay, you have all chances to maybe merge it by the end of the
Yes.
cohort. I hope so. Good luck with it. Just let us know, yeah, how it's going if you need any assistance. So, yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Thank
The table, I missed it, but it's a little bit broken, but I will fix it right after this call. Thank you, Glory. Good luck with the issue.
you.
Okay, who want to be next?
Hi, Katya.
Hello, Atinga.
How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you doing? You're working in
I'm
Prism?
doing great. Come up again?
You're working on Prism issue?
Yeah, I'm working on a issue on Prism. It's dealing with the endpoint flag inconsistencies. So after taking like my time to understand the situation that the issue was in, I came up with a plan to like create a standardized endpoint flags in the prismatic one. Then I've managed to implement a number of changes, but now I'm having trouble running them. I've been trying like I first did like set up my environment as was required of me, but now running it has been hectic. I don't know.
Yeah,
I'm trying.
actually, to be honest, I struggled 2 days with Prism to build it because they have a complicated build. They use Bazel, and that's not really easy. So that's okay. So what you need to do, you need to share it in the Prism Discord. So you can start from our Discord. Just tag me in the dev help. So probably I can help you. I don't know yet what issues you have. So you're trying to build your branch, or
Yeah, I'm trying to build my branch. I already implemented the changes that I thought were like could help.
Mhm.
Then maybe after I'm done with the building, then I could like push it and then submit a PR if it will be possible.
So
Yeah.
do you need help now for solving this issue with building?
Yeah, I definitely need the help. So I will take like another 30 minutes to try build it. I've been trying to troubleshoot now and then, but it's not like working. But then I will just definitely reach out to you.
Yeah, just share your screenshot in the Dev Help channel. So as you can see in the Dev Help, we've recently had a hot conversation, and yeah, we solved the issue, and this is how it should look like. You ask your question. If I can, I help you. If not, I send you to other Discords. But yes, there is something that I really can help you because I've already done this before. So yeah, feel free to start from our Discord if you're not sure that about clients' Discords. So yeah,
Okay.
let's just try to build it right now while we have a stand-up and screenshot of the error you have. Okay.
Okay.
What about the our table. If you
Yeah, I
don't
haven't
have
updated
time,
yet.
yeah, if you don't have time for Rebase, etc., you can just skip these assignments and just update the table, like Adinga updates, and just write your updates, add your emojis. So, for example, you're working on the issue right now, and
Okay.
yeah, so we will have the latest updates from you. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah,
Thank you,
building
Jim.
building Prism is not that easy. It depends on the machine you're working on. For example, I've struggled with Mac setup, and my recommendation for you for the next issues or for new ones, when you clone the repo and just try to build and run the tests for unstable branch, because it can be unstable or master or other branch. They have like the main branch for contributors. And before you start your changes, your code changes, just try to run it. Try to build, go through the contributors guide. And for example, it depends on the client, of course. Try to build, try to run tests, start from this one, because it will be more complicated if you already have your code changes. So the first step should be just try to run, okay? It's just for next. Looking into the chat. Okay, DMs, nice. Thank you, Adinga. Anyone else wants to share? Hi, Jay. Hello. How are you doing? Hi, Jay. Can you hear me? Or are you today in the silent mode? How about Luisa? If you stuck somewhere, for example, with your home assignments, if you have any questions, let's just ask them now. Probably you have issues with, I don't know, merge or anything else. Let's just try to find out what is going on there. What is going on with your repo? So probably you don't understand what's your next step, what you need to do, or you stuck with something. While we are waiting for IJ and Luisa, probably Svetlana would like to talk. I know that you joined us today, maybe for the first time or second, and probably you would where to start, or you would like just to learn all this stuff. Feel free to ask. Do you know where the starting point for the cohort? You can type in the chat as well if you're not really comfortable to speak, or maybe any other issues with this. Just ask questions in the chat. IJ, Luisa, would you like to share something?
Hi guys, I don't know if you can hear me because I'm like in a public setup. Can you hear me well?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so for me, because I'm working on the Lodestar issue, I've been talking with them on the Discord channel. And so any issues that I have, any questions, because I wasn't sure how I will contribute to the issue I'm working on. And I talked to Phil, and he told me I was wondering if I should be working on the documentation, just the README file, or I should be updating the website. But then he told me like I have the issue is flexible. If I want to fix the GitHub first and like put everything on the README file, I can do that. And if I want to change up the website, I can do that. It all depends on what the other developers would want. So I'm waiting for a go ahead from the other developers whether to update the website. But for the README file, I've done my research and I'm yet to push. So it's been going great. But I haven't
Okay,
updated the
great.
table. I'll do that.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Yes,
So
thank you.
you already know what to put in the report. So
Yes. They provided me with like the resources I need, the videos and like documentations and articles.
mhm.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
a lot of work to do. So
Yes.
probably you can just create some small PRs. So for example, you edit this part and I don't know, you can discuss with them. So just small PRs also work if it
Yes.
makes
Okay.
sense for you, for your
Yeah.
case.
I'll do
Mhm.
that. It's a lot of research because it's new things, but it's great.
Of
I love
course,
it.
SSC is the huge part, and that's a good way to learn, right? So you
Yes.
read, you share. Feel free to share any interesting links in our Discord channel because we
Yes.
have the resource channel as well. That would be
Mm-hmm.
interesting. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Katya.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, would be great if you update the table. Yeah, later. Thank you. So just remember, we have 1 month only, and I hope to see your PRs merged, at least open. That would be also great, but merged is, yeah, that would be nice. That means you worked hard for this cohort. Okay, we have some new comments. Okay, IJ, maybe you can put into the chat how is going on there. Let's maybe check your issue. Do you need any help? Feel free to tag me in the Discord. So you're working on, oh, this one. Yeah, I remember. Okay. So that would be great to know if you started to work with the code. Did you clone the repo? Did you try to run tests or something or build? So if you haven't yet started IJ, what I would recommend you is to clone the repo and to try build unstable branch. Okay. Then try to run tests, yarn tests. Don't forget about contributors guide. This is important. You need to follow it. How to build the project, how. So that would be helpful for you. And please keep me informed what is going on there. If you have any issues, if you're stuck somewhere with your home assignment as well. So your home assignment can easily be discussed on our Discord. So please, let's do it. Okay. Well, I think that's all updates for today. Yeah, great, IJ. Yeah, nice to hear that. Yeah, and feel free to update the table as well, because I would like to know who is here in the cohort, who is still in the cohort, because yeah, some people, when I don't see your updates, I don't know if you're still here or not. So that would be great to know your news, your updates. Okay. So, Svetlana, if you don't know where to start, we're working on this GitHub repo, which I will share with you now. So this one, I will drop it into the chat. So if you go to cohort 3 folder, you will find, just start from number 0, program guide. And you will see the Discord channel here, the registration form. Yeah, maybe you already feel it. Yeah, and join our Discord. In the Discord, we have, oh, I shut it down, but we have Cohort 3 as well. You will see. Yeah, and just start. So we have this sessions tracker where we have our schedule, useful links. You can find materials and recordings here. You can find assignments as well. And we have our progress table where we try to update everything. So if you join our Discord and tag me in Cohort 3 channel, I will add you to the table if you are going to working on it. Okay. All right. We have Naomi here. Hi, Naomi. Good updates.
Yes. So I was able to create a validator node so that I can test out the solution. However, it's taking quite a bit of time for them to sort of like accept the validation. I'm using Hoodie testnet. So I need to confirm again how long it's taking, but this basically that's what I'm waiting for the validation to come through using the Hoodie testnet tokens, and then I'll test out the CLI flag and submit APR for it. That's where I am at the moment.
So you're running Hoodie beacon node or validator
Yes.
both?
Yes, validator node.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you in touch with the team? Yeah, I see Nico. Are you in the Discord or you try to solve it on your own?
So I'm currently in Lodestar's Discord. I ask questions whenever I need to, but for now I just want to try it on my own. And then when I get stuck, I reach out to them and say, hey, I'm having this issue. I need
That's
some help.
great.
But yeah, but I should be able to have more feedback after I have run the solution on the validator node. So I think I'll have more questions then. Yeah.
Yeah. In the client's Discord, you can also create the thread for your issue and communicate in the thread if you're
Okay.
comfortable with it, or just in the Lodestar developer channel. Yeah, that's
Okay.
also okay. Yeah. I'm
All right.
happy to hear that you are active on the content, and it's really helpful. And I think you've noticed that they answer quickly in the Discord, right?
Yeah, they do.
So if you have something urgent, much better than in the GitHub.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
problem. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. And we also have Dinah here. I still doubt if I pronounce it correct. Dina or Dinah. Sorry.
It's Dinah. You got it right. Thank you.
Sorry. Yeah. How is it going? Thank you for your home assignment. That was great. This is what I
Yeah,
expect
it was
from
really
you.
nice.
Yeah, to ask questions, to know where you stuck. And this is what I encourage others to do. That's a great example. You did a great job. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you have any questions, any updates on your PR, on your issue?
Okay, so I made changes, but I got a little stuck. So I made a draft PR and I asked questions in Discord. I opened a thread and I was told that when people are free, they'll look into the issue to see if they can help me out. So that's what I'm waiting for. Because I was trying to do it on my own and I got stuck and I just realized it'd be better if I just asked questions to save time.
Yeah, that's a good way to move on. Because if you're stuck, it's really difficult to solve it on your own. And sometimes AI helpful, and most of the time, not really. If it depends on if it's all about the core development. Yeah, and if you already have a draft PR, feel free to add it to the table for the next time. Draft PRs also work. So
Okay,
yeah,
I'll do that next time. Thank you.
yeah. Just add it here, put the link. Yeah, try to use like this one, link and number. Yeah, so we'll see your progress. And everyone who has already draft or open PRs, please feel free to update it. You can even create additional PR, like aside of your assignments, your home assignments, just for table updates. Okay. Let's do it for the next call. Right after the call, just try to update the table. Just give it a name. Yeah, that's for everyone. Just give it a name, like week 9 updates or week 8 updates, and just add your updates, add an emoji, add a PR if you already have it opened. Okay. So I
Okay,
think
I'll do that. Thank you, Kasia.
yeah. Oh, Sylvia is here. Sylvia, would you like to share your updates? If you're stuck anywhere, do you need any help?
Hi, good evening,
Hello.
everybody.
Hello.
Okay, so I um I got a review and I've made my changes.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
And
Good.
I'm expecting a feedback from them, Lotsa.
Mm-hmm. So you also have an open PR. That's great.
Yeah.
All right. Congratulations. So could you please add your PR into the you already added. Yeah, I see. Yeah, great. Great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, nice job. Yeah, I'm super happy to see your PRs. And if you hesitate to ask questions, so just look at this PR. This is how a PR should look like. You ask questions, you get answers from core developers, and you change your code. And that's absolutely fine if they give you a lot of comments, a lot of corrections you need to do. That's fine because it's like your first issue, it's your start. Yeah, so don't worry about it. Just continue to ask and ask, and yeah.
All right, thank you.
Okay, nice. So anyone else you would like to ask, or you stuck? So I reminded for those who joined us later, on the next call, we will have Josh and Mario from Ethereum Foundation. They will tell us about their programs, about the fellowship and other initiatives. So this is really important. This is really interesting. I hope to see you there. Prepare your questions. Yeah, be active. Yeah, IJ. Exactly. Yeah. Any other questions for today? Feel free to tag me in the Discord. If anything you want to know, to ask, if you're stuck somewhere. Okay. 1, 2, 3. No questions. Do you struggle if someone tried merge or rebase? Do you struggle with resolving conflicts? Anything like this? If you have issues with home assignments, you can just skip some of them and continue with the next one. Yeah, these 7 and 8, they are more advanced. But if you're somewhere here at the beginning, you can, for example, skip 3 and go to 4. That's also okay. And if you have issues with merge, with solving conflicts, just let me know, okay? We'll solve it with Dinah async in the Discord. That's a good example. So don't be shy, ask your questions, share your screenshots. And I think that's it for today. If no questions, 1, 2, 3, raise your hands. Okay, no questions. Okay, then see you on the next session. Okay. Bye, everyone.